What's up guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, I will show you how to add custom domain in Netlify. So, adding a custom domain in Netlify here is really easy. So what we need to do first is you want to log in into your account, access your project, and in your project here, you want to go to the left side and click on domain management. Now in here, you should have your production domains and a lot more. So let's go and choose the option here that says add domain. Now let's go and click on add a domain you already own. Now first is you need to add your own domain here. Let's go and go to our other account here. Let's go with a Hostinger. Let's go to our domain portfolio. And let's go and click on our already existing domain. Let's go and click on the DNS name service at the left side. Now the steps itself might be different depending on what is your provider, but the steps are pretty much the kind of the same here. It just with different steps. But what we need to do here is we first need to copy the domain itself. So I'm going to assume you already have a copy of that, but if not, you can go and go to your domain overview here, copy the URL, go back to the name servers here. Let's go back into Netlify. Now enter your domain here, click on verify. It's going to look for your domain. It's a good news, already on Netlify DNS, you can add your domain. Let's go and click on add domain. It's going to start the process of adding this domain, but there are additional steps here that you need to do. So first is you need to make sure that you wait for Netlify here to prepare your domain, because they will require you to do additional things in order for you to complete the whole setup here for your domain. So sometimes the preparation here may not be complete, so you may need to add additional records into your account in order for you to make the connection. And usually it takes around 24 hours for the propagation to be completed. But just in case, like for example, if you want to use another domain, so just an example, there's another domain I have right now. So let's go and just copy and add this in here. Click on add domains. Let's go and paste this one, click on save. Now it might say something like awaiting external DNS. So you just need to click on this one and you just need to add the following options here. So you could either use the recommended one here, which allows you to point alias, a name, or flanet CNAME record to the following address here. So how do you set this up? So you need to add a CNAME record using this one and a record using this one. So you may also add additional a record here just for a fallback. So how do you use this one? So let's go ahead and go to our domain here. So this is my other provider here. Let's go and click on the option for domain. Let's go and click on the option here to add a record. So I just went to the advanced DNS record section. Just click on add new record, and since we want to add a CNAME, just going to choose CNAME here. The host is going to be this one here. Let's go and copy it, go back in here and paste your host, and you want to add the value for it for this one. Let's go ahead and add it in the target, and you just click on the check at the right side here. Now again, you can add another record that is an A record here. So how do you add it? Same thing, just click on add new record, A record. Now the host is going to be this one. Or sorry, you just need to type in at, and you want to go ahead and copy the address, this one. Paste it in here, click on the check at the right side here, and you should be good. Now here, let's go back in here. Let's go and click on close. And from here, it's going to start waiting for verification here and external DNS. So what you could do, so you just need to reload your page here. So that's going to now say preparing your domain. And to be speaking again, you need to wait for around 24 hours in order for the process to be completed. But that's about it. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like or subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.